Today, we are moving to part 2 of this week's top trending open source GitHub projects. In this episode, we're showcasing 5 more incredible tools. First up, we have MLX-Audio, bringing optimized speech synthesis to Apple Silicon. Then, we'll explore Automate and its AI-powered natural language desktop automation. Get ready for context-aware speech with CSM, followed by PySpur, the visual playground for supercharging AI agent workflows. Finally, we'll dive into AutoAgent for zero-code LLM agent creation.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, AutoAgent, the zero-code LLM agent revolution. Today, we're diving into AutoAgent, a truly groundbreaking project that's redefining how we build and deploy AI agents. What makes AutoAgent exceptionally unique is its core philosophy: fully automated and absolutely zero-code LLM agent creation. Imagine being able to build sophisticated AI agents simply by describing what you need in natural language. That's the power of AutoAgent. Unlike traditional agent frameworks that require extensive coding knowledge, AutoAgent empowers anyone to create ready-to-use tools, agents, and even complex workflows through simple conversations. This natural language customization is arguably its most distinctive feature. Furthermore, AutoAgent isn't just about ease of use, it's also a performance powerhouse. It has achieved the #1 ranking among open-sourced methods on the GAIA benchmark, demonstrating comparable performance to OpenAI's deep research. This impressive feat is further supported by its innovative agentic RAG system with a native self-managing vector database, which even outperforms industry leaders like LangChain. AutoAgent also boasts universal LLM support, seamlessly integrating with a vast array of models from OpenAI and Anthropic to Hugging Face and beyond. Whether you prefer function calling or React interaction modes, AutoAgent offers the flexibility you need. Think of it as your personal, dynamic, and extensible AI assistant, always ready to be customized to your specific needs without writing a single line of code. For anyone looking to harness the power of LLM agents without the coding barrier, AutoAgent offers a truly unique and revolutionary approach. Project number 2, PySpur, the visual playground for turbocharging your AI agents. We're spotlighting PySpur, a truly innovative project that's transforming the way we build and iterate on AI agents. What makes PySpur stand out is its unique approach as a visual playground for agentic workflows, designed to help you iterate over your agents up to 10 times faster. For AI engineers grappling with the frustrating realities of prompt hell, workflow blind spots, and the nightmare of terminal testing, PySpur offers a refreshing solution. Instead of endless manual tweaking and cryptic outputs, PySpur provides a visual environment where you can define test cases, build your agents in Python or via UI, and then iterate obsessively with clear visibility into the process. Key to PySpur's uniqueness are its core features like human-in-the-loop breakpoints, allowing for quality assurance, and its robust loop functionality for iterative tool calling with memory. The platform also boasts built-in support for RAG, retrieval augmented generation, simplifying the process of integrating knowledge into your agents. Furthermore, PySpur's multimodal capabilities enable you to work with various data types like PDFs, videos, audio, and images. Its Python-based architecture allows for easy extension by adding new nodes with simple Python files, and its any vendor support grants you the flexibility to work with over 100 different LLM providers, embedders, and vector databases. Getting started is incredibly quick with a simple pip install PySpur command. If you're tired of the traditional headaches of AI agent development and crave a more visual and efficient workflow, PySpur offers a truly unique and powerful solution. Project number 3, Conversational Speech Model, generating voices with context. We're exploring CSM, the conversational speech model from Sesame AI Labs, and what truly sets this project apart in the world of audio generation. What makes CSM unique is its ability to generate realistic speech by taking into account not just text, but also audio context. Unlike many text-to-speech models, CSM can leverage preceding audio segments from different speakers to produce more natural and contextually relevant spoken output. Its architecture is also distinctive, employing a powerful llama backbone coupled with a smaller audio decoder that operates on RVQ and MIMI audio codes. This specific combination allows CSM to learn intricate patterns in both the textual and acoustic domains, leading to potentially more nuanced and expressive speech generation. Furthermore, while capable of producing a variety of voices, the open-sourced version is presented as a base generation model, not fine-tuned for any single, specific voice. This means it offers a foundation for research and further development in voice cloning and personalized speech. CSM's design is explicitly focused on audio generation from text and audio inputs, and it's not intended to be a general-purpose multimodal LLM as it cannot generate text itself. This specialization allows it to concentrate on the complexities of speech synthesis. Finally, the project emphasizes its role as a high-quality speech generation model for research and educational purposes, with clear guidelines against misuse for impersonation, misinformation, or illegal activities. This focus on responsible development and its unique architecture for context-aware audio generation truly distinguish CSM in the rapidly evolving landscape of speech technology. Project number 4: Automate, your AI-powered local automation assistant. We're diving deep into Automate, a truly fascinating project that's setting itself apart in the world of automation. What makes Automate particularly unique is its core concept: an AI-driven local automation assistant that empowers you to make your computer work for you simply by using natural language. Forget about the complexities of traditional robotic process automation, RPA, tools. Automate leverages the power of large language models to understand your needs and execute complex automation processes based solely on your verbal or written descriptions. This no-code approach is a game-changer, allowing anyone to automate tedious tasks without needing any programming knowledge. Furthermore, Automate boasts full interface control, enabling it to interact with any visual element on your screen, unlike systems limited to specific applications. It achieves this by intelligently comprehending screen content, essentially mimicking human vision, to make autonomous decisions and take actions as required. A significant differentiator is its focus on local deployment, ensuring that your data stays secure and private on your own machine. While still in its early stages, Automate is built upon OmniParser and is actively integrating the latest AI technologies. It currently supports the OpenAI series of models that offer multimodal and structured output capabilities, and for users in mainland China, EUREKA is suggested as a proxy. To get the best performance, especially for its visual processing through OCR, an NVIDIA graphics card with at least 4 GB of memory is recommended. In essence, Automate is striving to be your intuitive, locally run AI companion capable of automating a wide range of computer tasks through the simple power of natural language. Project number 5: MLX-Audio, the Apple Silicon Speech Alchemist. We're taking a look at MLX-Audio, a project that's truly special because it's built from the ground up for Apple's revolutionary MLX framework, making it uniquely positioned for blazing fast text-to-speech, TTS, and speech-to-speech, STS, on Apple Silicon chips. If you're working on a Mac with an M-series processor, this library is designed to deliver incredibly efficient speech synthesis right on your machine. Unlike many other TTS solutions, MLX-Audio taps directly into the power of Apple's silicon, promising a significant performance boost. Beyond speed, it offers a compelling set of features, including support for multiple languages and various voice customization options. Imagine having the flexibility to generate speech in different tongues and styles, all optimized for your Apple device. Furthermore, MLX-Audio provides adjustable speech speed control, letting you fine-tune the pace of the generated audio from 0.5x to 2.0x. For those who like to tinker and integrate, it even comes with an interactive web interface featuring a cool 3D audio visualization and a REST API for seamless TTS generation. The inclusion of quantization support is another key differentiator, allowing for further optimization of performance. MLX-Audio even streamlines your workflow with direct access to output files through your system's file explorer. At its core, it leverages the co-Coral model architecture for its text-to-speech capabilities. If you're an Apple user looking for a high-performance, feature-rich speech synthesis library tailored for your hardware, MLX-Audio stands out as a truly unique and powerful tool. Project number 6: Graphiti, the time-traveling knowledge graph for smarter AI. We're diving into Graphiti, a project that's truly unique in how it's building the next generation of AI memory. What sets Graphiti apart is its core ability to create dynamic, temporally aware knowledge graphs. Think of it like this: most knowledge systems capture a snapshot of information, but Graphiti understands that knowledge evolves. It meticulously tracks how facts and relationships change over time, allowing you to ask not just what is, but what was and when did this change. This temporal awareness is crucial for building AI agents and assistants that can learn from interactions and maintain a comprehensive historical context. Unlike tools designed for static documents, Graphiti is built from the ground up to handle constantly changing information, making it ideal for applications needing to reason with dynamic data from various sources, both structured and unstructured. Its querying capabilities are also a fusion of power, combining semantic, full-text, and graph-based search with an awareness of time, offering a much richer way to retrieve information. Graphiti ingests data as discrete episodes, preserving the origin of each piece of information, which is vital for understanding how knowledge was acquired. This focus on temporal dynamics and its ability to fuse different search methods into an evolving knowledge structure makes Graphiti a truly distinctive project in the realm of AI memory and knowledge representation. In fact, it even powers the memory layer of ZEP, showcasing its state-of-the-art capabilities in agent memory. Project number 7, Step Video T2V, the deeply compressed, high-quality text-to-video generator. We're diving into a fascinating project called Step Video T2V, and what makes this text-to-video model truly stand out from the crowd. What's immediately impressive about Step Video T2V is its sheer scale. We're talking about a state-of-the-art model packed with 30 billion parameters, giving it incredible potential for generating complex and detailed videos. But it's not just about size. Step Video T2V is also designed for efficiency. One of its unique features is a deep compression video VAE that achieves remarkable 16 by 16 spatial and 8x temporal compression ratios. This deep compression is a game-changer, making both the training and the process of generating videos much faster and more manageable. Furthermore, to ensure the videos it creates are visually stunning and free of artifacts, Step Video T2V utilizes a direct preference optimization (DPO) approach, which is fine-tuned based on human feedback to deliver higher quality and more realistic results. The model is built upon a DIT architecture with 3D full attention, allowing it to effectively transform textual prompts into coherent sequences of video frames. It even uses 2 bilingual pre-trained text encoders, meaning it can understand and generate videos from both English and Chinese text prompts. To top it off, the creators have even introduced a new benchmark called Step Video T2V Eval specifically designed to assess the quality of video generation. In essence, Step Video T2V distinguishes itself through its combination of massive scale, innovative deep compression for efficiency, and the use of direct preference optimization to achieve top-tier video quality from text prompts. Project number 8, MM-EUREKA. Pioneering visual aha moments with rule-based reinforcement learning. We're exploring MM-EUREKA, a groundbreaking project that's pushing the boundaries of AI reasoning. What truly sets MM-EUREKA apart is its innovative approach to extending the power of rule-based reinforcement learning, RL, into the multimodal domain, specifically enabling AI to reason with both text and visual information. While rule-based RL has proven incredibly effective in enhancing the text-based reasoning abilities of large language models, MM-EUREKA marks a significant leap by successfully reproducing key characteristics of these text-based systems, such as steady increases in accuracy, reward and response length, as well as the emergence of reflection behaviors, within a visual context for the very first time. This means MM-EUREKA can learn to not only provide more accurate answers but also to generate more comprehensive responses and even reflect on its reasoning process when dealing with visual data. Furthermore, a remarkable aspect of this project is its demonstration that both instruction-tuned and pre-trained models can achieve strong multimodal reasoning capabilities through this rule-based RL approach without relying on supervised fine-tuning, showcasing superior data efficiency compared to other methods. By open-sourcing their entire pipeline, including all the code, models, like MM-EUREKA 8B and MM-EUREKA 0-38B, and datasets, the creators of MM-EUREKA are fostering significant further research in this exciting area. Built upon the foundation of OpenRLHF, MM-EUREKA introduces crucial enhancements like multimodal RFT support for vision language models, VLMs, such as InternVL, opening up new possibilities for how AI understands and interacts with the world around it. Project number 9, Agent Chat UI, your universal LangGraph agent communicator. We're taking a look at Agent Chat UI, a project that's truly special because it offers a straightforward and user-friendly web interface for interacting with virtually any LangGraph agent. What makes this tool particularly unique is its universality. It's designed to work with any LangGraph server that adheres to a simple messages key structure. This means you're not locked into specific agent setups or complicated configurations. As long as your LangGraph server is set up correctly, Agent Chat UI can connect to it. Built using modern web technologies like Vite and React, it provides a smooth and responsive chat experience. Unlike other potential methods of interacting with LangGraph agents that might require coding or API calls, Agent Chat UI offers a visual, chat-based approach, making it accessible to a wider range of users. Getting started is incredibly simple. You can either run the application locally after cloning the repository or using the npx create agent chat app command, or even use the pre-deployed site for instant access. To connect to your LangGraph server, you just need to provide the deployment URL and the ID of the specific assistant or graph you want to converse with. For connecting to deployed LangGraph servers, a Langsmith API key is required for authentication. This focus on ease of use and broad compatibility with LangGraph agents through a simple chat interface is what truly sets Agent Chat UI apart, making it an invaluable tool for anyone working with LangGraph. Project number 10: Data Formulator, the AI-powered visualization wizard. We're taking a look at Data Formulator, a project from Microsoft Research that's revolutionizing how we create data visualizations with the power of artificial intelligence. What truly sets Data Formulator apart is its unique blended approach of combining user interface interactions with natural language input. Unlike traditional methods or purely chat-based AI tools, Data Formulator allows you to interact with your data visually by dragging and dropping fields onto chart properties while also enabling you to describe more complex transformations and visualizations using natural language. This makes it incredibly intuitive for analysts to express their visualization ideas and delegate the often tedious data transformation tasks to AI. Another key differentiator is Data Formulator's ability to create visualizations that go beyond the initial dataset. You can simply type the names of fields that don't yet exist, and the AI will intelligently figure out the necessary computations or transformations from your existing data to generate the desired visual. Furthermore, Data Formulator supports an iterative workflow, allowing you to refine your visualizations through follow-up natural language prompts and further UI interactions, with your exploration history conveniently tracked. It even supports working with multiple datasets at once and the ability to anchor intermediate datasets for more focused analysis. With support for various powerful AI models like OpenAI and Azure, and flexible installation options including Python pip and codespaces, Data Formulator is a truly unique and powerful tool for anyone looking to unlock deeper insights from their data through rich, AI-driven visualizations. And that concludes our look at part 2 of the top trending open-source projects on GitHub this week. We hope you found these projects as fascinating as we did. Which of these tools are you most eager to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more explorations of cutting-edge open-source technology. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about our next video. Thanks for watching.